Hi guys, welcome back to the bowl of two halves. Two halves as in part one, part two. Two halves as in half dark, half light. So, the bowl without a hole is now going to have a hole put in it. So, right, I've only got a very small mortise on there. It is literally only a little one, couple of mil, but I've got it held in my shark jaws, and yeah, it looks all right to me. Yeah, it looks all right. So I'm going to have a go. I'm going to hollow it. Okay, that's what I'm going to do now. If it comes off, well, it comes off. It'll only come off if I do something silly. If I don't get any catches, do anything silly, it'll be all right. Okay, and what we're going to hollow it with? Well, shock horror. I'm going to do it with a bowl gouge today. Oh my god. And no doubt probably a bit of carbide. Yay. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start it up. I'll get a little bit of speed on there. Right, okay. Let's just take a few light cuts. So take a cut across the front of the bowl. Nice, that's it. Now we can start going in. Now I've just got to take really nice light cuts. Like I said, I'm on a very small tenon. Okay, so it's not a perfect round, but I've got my jaws dug into it, so hopefully it'll be alright. Now that's what we don't want. And you start grabbing. Come on. Now I'm taking it shallow across the middle because I don't want to go to its full depth because I've got to get the thickness of the sides first. So all I do is I shallow it up, but I keep taking it right to the middle all the time. Now I don't know how thin I want to go with this because it's like, I don't think the bowl looks, the grain looks like it would suit too thin, personally. Get out of here. Get off. Yeah, we're becoming that thin anyway. Now I'm going to start getting this side down. Bit high actually. That's a bit better. Got a little bit of thickness down there. Got a little bit of thickness, more right here. I've got a little bit of thickness just in this bit here I want to get out. That's a bit better. Got to leave enough room for a finish cut. So,
and what one's that going to be?
12 mil AU. No, I've just got to there and my face shield's gone off.
Oh, I just changed that word.
You've just changed your battery.
Yeah.
No, that's alright, you keep yours. Go on. You're alright.
Sure.
Yep, keep yours on. I'll take a bullet for you, darling. Keep you safe, my baby.
Thank you, baby.
Got a slight, very slight bump, just there, very slight bump. There you go, just there. You just feel that little, there, just dropped into it, see? You come back, you can drop into it. And pick it up. There, it's gone. Right, I think that's about it. That's all right. So we'll get a little bit of sandification going on. Like that. That's it, that should catch it all from there. Okay, to the 180 grip. Feels nice. Because you look and you think you've got tool marks, but you ain't, it's just the patterning on the wood. See, I'm alright here because I've got the, I was going for a 240. That's a 240. That's a 240 grip. Nope, just throwing it on the floor. Yeah, see, I'm alright, so I've got a dust extractor for me, so I'm done with it, pretty much done with the turning. Lucky actually, it lasted right to the last cut. Still, now we have a bowl with a hole.
It's like a polo with a mint on the hole.
Yeah. 320, that's it, 320 grip. I'll go to the 400 and then we do exactly the same as we done on the outside. Bit of oil, bit of wax. feels smooth as. Right, okay. So now we're not going to look at it. I like the wow factor at the end.
Yeah. And it did give that wow factor, didn't it?
Still got a bit bloody good in between. Coffee. Oh, I just put it in it just now. I keep it floating. Right, just get the dust out of it, like so. And now, put some oil on there.
How on the camera I can actually see the two halves, but there
I can't see it.
No, but I can see it on the camera. I can see the light in the dark.
Trick
there.
photography.
No, well, they say the camera never lies, so.
Does, it always makes me look bald and fat.
The camera never lies.
You can go off people, you know. Full of muscle, this athlete's body.
No, that's the athlete's foot. It's not the body.
We wax out again. Not listening. Not listening. Not listening. Remember, a bit of shavings. Need to put a little bit of pressure on it, so. Because I'm on a very small tenant, I'm putting my tissue behind it. For me to put the pressure on, see, and it just takes off some of that wax like that. That's all. Right, get another bit of tissue. Let's get a little bit of speed up on it now. Right, the wax on here. Okay, just give this clean bit of tissue. That helps set the wax.
Did you gob up on the bowl?
What?
Did you gob up on the bowl?
Gob up on the bowl. Just a little bit of a sneeze, get in the tissue.
There's a bit of green stuff.
Helps to set the wax. That does. It's all right. Don't worry about it. It's all good.
That's extra. That's a little bit extra. Got a special GT sauce. GT wax.
Homemade.
New brand.
Right, let's see what we got.
Yeah.
There we go. We got the 2 halves. A bowl of 2 halves.
Yeah.
It's not too thin, but not too thick. Right, let's pop that off. We shouldn't have really marked it. Let's get that taken off of there. Wash. Put back where he lives. I said, oh, fantastic jaws, those guys. Because I only had a very small, I needed this sharper edge on it, and they've got that. If I needed a little bit sharper, I would have gone over to my long nose jaws. They've got a really sharp edge on them. But these ones that I would normally use, which is what I've done the 10 and 4, they've got that little bit of a lip on them, a bit like the sea jaws you get, where you can put a little groove in and they dig into it. I don't ever use that, but I don't do it like that. But yeah, they it's not sharp, so it's slightly rounded. So I didn't want to trust that on that tenon there, because it's only a small foot, and it's not actually dovetailed. It's just a round, but that's made I wanted to keep that foot. See, so there you go. That's actually kept that foot. That's kept that nice and smooth. And we've done that one today. Unusual for me. I've done it pretty much all with a bowl gouge and then just cleaned up with a carbide at the end, which that will always be the case, because there's nothing better to clean the bottom of a bowl than 12mm AU. No better tool to do that at all in the world. No better tool.
So we have that available as the SCH3 or
that's
the 12mm
available as the
AU follower.
SCH3, which is that. So same thing, exactly the same, but on a square bar. Sets it all ready for you. Just put it on, and you keep it at that angle all the time. And that's it. But if you want to be able to just adjust it a little bit, which is what I wanted to do there on that one, because I had it sort of on a small tail, I wanted to be able to adjust it so I could really shallow, lighten the cut, if you like, make it gentle. So then this one's nice because you can roll it. If you like to roll them round, then you can roll it over and come round. So there you go, and that's why I had it on the round bar. But I use both, I use them all. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's me little. And see, I'm funny. I'm not keen on oak. Okay, never have been. But I must say, this is
I quite like that.
this is actually a pretty piece of oak. So that's our bottom we've got.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep. So a little foot on the bottom like that. That's our shape of it with our foot, and then that's our inside. So we've got a natural bowl of 2 halves. It naturally had that colour, and I think the yin and yang, a bit of yin and yang. I think actually that using the dark wax is nice because
Brought it out.
I think it helps to go for the grain. I mean, the swirl, you can see all these rings on it. Is actually the rings in the oak, which is nice. We've got all this grain pattern going across this way as well. So yeah, I mean, when you look at that, that looks really nice. And it's the same on the outside. You've got these rings that go round. It looks really, really nice actually.
Yep.
I like that. Actually, that is probably the best looking oak bowl I've ever had.
So that is one to
And
keep.
that actually looks like one of those thin, like crappy bamboo ones you buy at the pound shop, don't they? So, all that expensive bowl, all that turning, and you end up with a bowl that looks like a crappy pound shop bamboo bowl. But I like that. I actually, I'm gonna this one. I am gonna keep.
Oh yeah.
I'm keeping this one because that is just perfect for a bag of. Yeah, well, actually, that's just perfect for like 3 bags of the Walker's crisps.
Free
'cause
bags,
you know what they're like.
Yeah, it
Most
used to
of it
be
is
full before, didn't it?
Yeah, but see,
like a
they're all
quarter pack.
nice and healthy now, aren't they? They're lightweight. It's full of air.
Yeah.
Your bags have mainly got air in it. No crisps. You get a quarter of a potato. Anyway, there we go, guys. That's it. A bowl of 2 halves. Part 2 finished. Toodle pip, and I'll see you on the next one.
Bye, guys.